Credit scores play a big role in what your mortgage is going to be, the terms of the mortgage, and even if you'll qualify for the mortgage. So follow these rules when you're applying for a mortgage and trying to get that home loan. Shop for your mortgage all at once. So just pull your credit that one time, or really close to one another if you're shopping with different mortgage lenders. So just do it all at once so it shows that you're shopping for the same thing. When you pull your credit multiple times, it shows that you're trying to borrow money here, trying to borrow money there. So you want to do that all at once. Don't pull your credit too many times. Just make sure that you're pulling it for important things. And then the second thing is going to be check your credit report. Make sure your credit report is up to date and that there's nothing on there. Your identity hasn't been stolen. There's not delinquencies or anything that's wrong with your credit report, because your credit report is what your credit score is based off of. 3 is pay down your credit cards. So you want to keep your credit cards low. You never want to max out your credit cards. And that was actually going to be my fourth one, is don't keep them at the max. So you want to pay down your credit card, don't keep them at the max. As a general rule of thumb, you probably want to keep it below 30% of what your value is of your credit card. So if you've got a $10,000 limit on your credit card, you want to keep that below $3,000 at all times. And just so you know, when that credit is reported, it's whatever the balance is on that date. So sometimes you could find out when your credit is reported and make sure that it's paid off before that. And that's going to build up your credit as well. Another one would be wait 12 months after you've had any difficulties with your credit report before you apply for a home loan. So just waiting those 12 months kind of clears it up a little bit and shows that you're not trying to borrow money here and borrow money there. Don't order items for the home on your credit. So don't be going out and buying furniture or TVs and mattresses and all that kind of stuff on your credit report, because that's going to reflect badly on your credit report. So all the stuff that you need to buy for your new home, you just got to wait on that. And with that, don't start any new accounts. Don't go buy a car. Don't go buy a new credit card. Don't open new credit reports on your credit bureau, because new credit reports reflect badly as well. The longer the credit report, the better it reflects on your credit history. And then avoid finance companies. Avoid those low lenders that lend out money to anybody. So you don't want to have that on your credit report, because it does reflect badly upon you, is that you're trying to borrow money from the lower finance companies. So you want to make sure that you're not using those tier 2 finance companies. As always, if you have any questions about the home buying process, call, text, or email us today.